It's not that ripe, sadly. I don't think I like this batch of avocados. The last one was so much better. Like the whole thing comes out. I think this is decent enough. I'm also taking pictures as we go. I don't know. I'm trying to get aesthetic shots. This is from yesterday's dinner / lunch. I didn't film it. Let's finish preparing our breakfast sandwich. I think I make the best breakfast sandwiches, if you ask me. It depends on what I have on the fridge. Sometimes I would add in like cherry tomatoes, a leftover salad. For today, this is what we're having: an egg avocado sandwich. Okay, now I'm gonna prep the protein pancakes. This is my first time trying this, and I was gonna make them with chocolate, but I think I'm gonna make them with maple syrup and blueberries.
c'est notre favorite.
Non,
Tuna
non.
sandwich.
تونة ساندويتش.
Tuna sandwich.
اوكي فما السومون هذايا بنين عما مش باش ناخدو mild salsa. Tunisian style. هذه طيارة تترينا برجولية شو فيها sweet potato. ايه اما شو سومون potatoes و كاروت هذيك.
نايس تفرج هذا كله 19 20 نخلص 26 طريقة.
هي ما هذا فيها 30% off. بو هذا chicken مش حلال obviously donc
tomahawk. It needs a grill, like actual grill. شفت ستريب لاين هكايا. شفت البارتيلي في تي بون وفما التندر لاين وفما ستريب لاين. ستريب لاين هو البارتي الاخرى نتاع التي بون. هاكا التندر لاين غادي فيها 100. لحظة هكا لعب بيها. أما مش حلال غادي مشهور.
مش حلال I don't think so. Okay.
Pink حلال زاد هذا right؟
ايه هيك حلال.
هاي احنا نسلوز على هذا ده.
هيكم حلال.
بيف بودن هذا اصلا. طب كيف الملوخية هذين نطيبوها في العادة عرفتها؟ اللي تقعد في القلة هكايا وبعديك شانكس.
احنا في العادة ناخدو البانز هذوما للبرجرز. زادا we found some ground wagyu beef. هذا يجي نخلطوه مع اللحم المفروم العادي يجي بلين مش نورمال للبرجرز.
هذا اكسترا لين.
ايه.
دونك حتى كان جراسفيد فيه المطعم بيفي اكسترا لين معناها فيه اقل فات والفات هو اللي يعمل المطعم قوي. probably is better. خير من اللين وحده يعني مش اكثر. نحب نجرب هذه والسردينز. maybe زين نجرب سبايسي هذا. I don't know about mussels. Do you think we should get one?
No.
ناخذ كعبة سردين هكا كعبة ماكريل كعبة سردين هكا. هذا في 55 جرام في 10 جرامات بروتين.
اوكي.
الماكريل 55 جرام فيها 10 هذا كيف.
We're done grocery shopping alhamdulillah. I just wanted to quickly come on here ونقول لكم اللي we're done خاطر I didn't close the vlog. Donc make sure you like. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the part where we go over what we buy. I didn't include everything على خاطر كومي معناها تزربنا بالوقت. إذا this video تعجبكم come shop with us. I'll see you later. Bye.
Good morning, guys. I woke up feeling a bit sick, so let's make this wellness shot together. I'm just gonna use some manuka honey, olive oil, Tunisian olive oil, and then a tiny bit of fresh lemon juice. And then we're gonna drink that. And then I'm gonna make my hot tea because I need hot fluids, and hopefully that will help me because I really don't feel like getting sick right now. We have a lot to do this weekend, inshallah. I think I'm gonna mix 2 kinds of honey. Is this honey? Yeah, this is honey. Oh my goodness. That wasn't too bad. I mean, it was bad. It was very tangy. Okay, now I'm gonna make breakfast. I don't think I'm gonna go into details this time around because I showed you in general how I like to make my breakfast. So it's gonna be a replication of some sorts of that. And I think I'm gonna remake these protein pancakes. Everybody loved them. I did too, and they're very filling. The ones that I showed you, I made for myself were with maple syrup and blueberries, but the ones that I made for the rest of my family were with chocolate. I just wanted to point one thing out. Most of the time, I just check what I have in the fridge and try to make something out of the ingredients that I already have. And that's why it could look random at times, but I guarantee you most of the time, it tastes amazing and it has great macros and it's a lot healthier than anything you would get at the store or for takeout.